Have you ever thought about moving to the Treasure Coast of Florida and you have a family? Well, today we're going to go over some family-oriented activities.
There's lots of fun things to do in this area.
Yeah, and we're going to talk about the Urban Air Park here in Port St. Lucie and the Sailfish Splash Water Park in Stuart, Florida. So come along with us as we go on this journey and talk about these
fun things to do for the whole family.
Yes. Hi, I'm Donald Nally, and this is my wife,
Katie Nally.
And we are living on Florida's Treasure Coast. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please do us a favor. Subscribe so you can get notifications and be notified about what's going on here in the Treasure Coast of Florida. Okay, first up is the Urban Air Park. And I'm going to turn it over to Katie, and she's going to fill you in on some things that's happening over there.
Yeah, I just took a ride over there myself, and even on a rainy, kind of cold afternoon, there was a good-sized line right as soon as they opened their doors at 4 o'clock. And I just took a peek around, and it's just a very exciting place for the whole family.
So what they got going on over there?
Yeah, there's quite a lot of attractions there. The Adventure Hub is their own unique combination of some of the best indoor attractions that they have. The Sky Rider, the Ropes Course, and the Tubes Indoor Playground. Not only the kids, but the kids at heart can have adventure in this place. Another one is the Flip Zones bumper cars. These bumper cars can spin and flip.
So hang on a second. So what you're saying, a kid who's or an adult like me who has a child at heart, I can go in there and have some fun.
Yeah, I ran into another young lady who looked to me to be about 18 or 20, and she said she had been in there herself and enjoyed herself quite a lot. For the spinning and flip bumper cars, you have to be at least 42 inches. These are beyond the normal bumper cars. These are the ultimate bumper car experience where you're in an arena and you can spin and flip and have so much twirling and whirling you might forget which way is up. The attraction sounds a bit crazy, and it is. It's crazy fun. But you must be on the lookout and dodge the other cars even while you're flipping. It's great for groups, and it's great for other, you can, kids or parents can join in with other kids to enjoy the experience. There's just a whole number of things. One of them is a climbing hill, and for this attraction you have to be under 52 inches. So this is for kids who are ready to climb a wall, but maybe not the big wall. So it's a mini mountain. They can practice their technique in climbing. And then once they get to the top, they get a fun slide to the bottom. It's a great challenge for little ones. And then there's as I said, there was spin zone bumper cars, and then there's another thing called virtual reality. For this, you must be 41 inches tall. The mission is simple: to be the last person standing in this hilarious competition. You and your friends can battle to see who survives the longest as a cushion bar swings around the enclosed area.
So what do you do in there? I'm looking on this printout we got here saying you fight robots and dragons, or sling snowballs, collect coins, and try to beat your own high score. And you fight against your friends. So it must be like a virtual reality place that you go into this virtual world and just have all kinds of fun.
Yes, you jump, duck, and do whatever it takes to avoid being struck by the bar that's moving around.
Yeah, and it's saying however you play this high-end simulation is easy to learn, making it suitable for gamers of all ages and experience levels.
Yes, and beyond what I've already mentioned, they have regular go-kart tracks, a laser tag spot, a drop zone where you practice leap spins and other acrobatics and land on a giant inflatable airbag. The Sky Rider, where you soar through the air for a zip line type experience. Safety is a top priority. The kids are strapped into a secure, kid-friendly harness. There's a ropes course. Learning the ropes is a lot of fun. Getting extra hang time with our next level obstacles at the Urban Air Ropes course. Weave, climb, and race your way around this high-flying obstacle course. Safety is always assured with kid-friendly harnesses as they make their way through the course. And in this particular, the ropes course, you have to be 48 inches tall.
At least 4 feet.
And then really there's a whole bunch of other things. Higher climbing walls, a pro zone, performance trampolines, tubes playground, the battle beam where you're on like a balance beam thing with these big whatever
Things
you
and
call
you're
them.
trying to knock one
You
another
knock one
off
another
and
off,
everything.
right.
It kind of sounds like that show that used to be on TV, American Gladiators, where you go in on these courses and you,
Yes.
and you have an opponent and you go at it.
And then there's a warrior course, a runway tumble track for aspiring gymnasts, the Apex trampolines, a dodgeball program, and a slam dunk zone for those that love basketball. And if you're hungry while you're there, there's an urban cafe where you can get your pizza or your chicken wings, popcorn, chicken tenders,
Loaded waffle fries.
and fountain drinks.
It says we have something for every taste, age, and preference. Fountain drinks are also available to wash it all down. And for more info, you can check them out online at urbanairpark.com, I believe
Yep.
it is.
Yep.
Or you can just Google it, Urban Air Park, Port St. Lucie, Florida.
Yeah. Or give them a call at 772-408-9349.
Yeah, and the regular and holiday hours, it says the open play hours. On Mondays is 10 to 8 p.m. and then Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays 4 to 8 p.m. and Saturdays 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sundays 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. But always check when it's a holiday to make sure they're open before you go down there. So, and that's just something that's right here along US 1 here in Port St. Lucie.
Yes.
So something fun for the whole family.
Yes.
Okay, so that was in Port St. Lucie. Now let's talk about this spot in Stewart, the Sailfish Splash Water Park.
And this water park fulfills the recreation, fitness, and competitive swimming and diving dreams of the community. The state-of-the-art complex is conveniently located in Stewart, Florida, just east of Willoughby Boulevard, and on Southeast Runkey Street and north of Southeast Indian Street. Water activities have been and continue to be an integral part of Martin County's character, whether it be swimming at the beach, playing in the pool, or boating in the inlet. The water park is an affordable option for families looking to have a great time without breaking the bank.
Yeah, since 2011, Sailfish Splash Water Park has hosted all major statewide high school swimming and diving meets and NCAA level winter training, all of which bring millions of dollars into the local Martin County economy.
Some of the features of this water park is a 1,000-foot lazy river, a 4-story tall water slide.
Boy, I don't know about a 4-story tall water slide. That thing be up there. I mean, in my younger days, I did some of that kind of stuff. I don't know if I want to go hitting that right now. But maybe if you're young, it'll be great for you.
Or young at heart.
Yes, young at heart.
It has a zero depth entry, 7,326 square foot water playground with jets, sprays, slides, and a 300-gallon dump bucket.
Yeah, and a 253-foot closed fume speed slide.
Yes. Wiggly Waters walk across a lagoon, children's activities, and a shaded picnic area.
Yeah. Plenty of deck space. It's got 670 deck chairs, private cabanas, and free Wi-Fi for if you just want to kick back on the side while you're children's having fun, and you can watch them, and you can also be on Wi-Fi and have your own private little cabana.
There's a 50-meter by 25-yard FINA compliant temperature-controlled swimming and diving pool.
Yeah, this is for the competitive people out there with the swim meets and everything.
Yes.
It also has a support facility of a cafe and concessions, multi-purpose rooms for meetings, training, and parties. It's got lockers to put your cell phones, and it's got family lockers. For those patrons seeking more privacy, the facility also offers private cabana rentals, private funbrella rentals, and private clamshell rentals.
Right. They also have family changing rooms.
Yes.
Some of the programs that they offer are swimming lessons, swimming and diving meets, master swimming program with coaching, teen activities and parties, and dive-in movies. Sailfish Water Park is an ideal venue for birthday parties, fundraisers, camps, group outings, family reunions, business meetings, and corporate events.
So, wow, it sounds like a pretty interesting place to go, especially, you know, if you're moving down here and you have a family and you're wondering if there's some things around to do. Not only are these in the area here locally where you can just go on these things real quick here in the area. I mean, if you're moving right here into the Treasure Coast, we're in the Port St. Lucie area, but you're also within 2 hours of Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and all that kind of stuff, family-oriented stuff that you can take the whole family to.
It's not only fun things to do, but it's also great exercise for those that want to get involved with lessons and training.
Yes, yes. And those who might want to go pro, swimming, you know, professional.
Yes.
Or even training for the Olympics or something of that sort.
Imagine you could.
Yeah, and we're not short on water here because we are on the east coast of Florida. We're right along the Atlantic Ocean side, and plenty of outdoor activities to do there as well. You know, swimming in the beach, on the ocean, boating, all kinds of things. So we don't lack when it comes to fun things to do if you have a family and you're thinking about moving to this area. And so
there's plenty of things to do. Plenty of restaurants, plenty of shopping, plenty of fun things.
Yes. So we thank you for watching today, and we hope something in here would entice you to move this way, because we are Florida licensed realtors, and you know, we're here to help you any way that we can if you're looking to buy, sell.
Yeah, we can help you with those things, commercial, residential property, where, you know, land, we're here to help. So if you're thinking of that, please give us a call.
Yes, our contact information is in the comments below. And please do us a favor also. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. And until next time, this is Living on Florida's Treasure Coast. Bye for now.